Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio AE1100. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, hour, minute, second. But if not, then press this one, the mode button on the lower left, several times until you get the high-pitch beeping sound. That one. Okay, now press and hold the top left button, this one, split reset or the adjust button, until the second is flashing or blinking. Now let's start by resetting the second. You can press this one, the search button. If the second is 30 or more like this, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press this one, the select button, and we are setting the daylight saving. For this one, you can use the search button to change the value. So it's going to be on or off. Okay, and then press again this one, the mode or the select button on the lower left, and now we are setting the city. The light button will move to the west or to the left side of the map, and the search button will move to the east or to the right side of the map. And the time zone of my city is the same as PKK, so I will use this one. Okay, and then press the select button or mode button, and now is the hour. We can set using these two buttons. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, and then press again the select button, and now we are setting the minute. Also these two buttons, the light will decrease and the search will increase. Okay, now press again the select button, and now we are setting this one, the hour format. So this one you can use the search button to change 12-hour format or 24-hour format. Press again the select or the mode button, and now we are setting the year. Also these two buttons, the light button will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, again mode button, and now is the month. Also these two buttons, light and search. Okay, and then press again, now is for the date. Again light to decrease and search to increase. Okay, press again, and now we are setting the length of the backlight for the afterglow effect. So 1 meaning 1.5 second, and then press the search button if you want to change. 3 meaning 3 seconds, meaning longer backlight, but maybe will drain the battery faster. Okay, again, press again the select or mode button, and now we return to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button on the top left, and done. We have set the timekeeping or the basic time and calendar for this watch. I will also make the more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.